The Google Pixel 10 Pro is finally here, and let me tell you, this phone is not just an upgrade. It's a bold statement that Google is ready to change the smartphone game forever, but wait till you hear about the secret surprise feature that nobody saw coming. Imagine holding a device that feels like the future in your hands, starting with a 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display that refreshes up to 144 Hz, giving you silky smooth animations, crystal clarity, and an unmatched experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling. But the magic goes deeper. Google has packed this beast with the all-new Tensor G5 chip, built to deliver lightning-fast performance and next-level AI that doesn't just assist you, but practically thinks for you. From live translations to predictive typing and real-time AI photo editing, the Pixel 10 Pro feels alive in your hands, and the AI-driven features will leave you wondering if you're using a phone or a digital companion. The cameras are where Google once again flexes its muscles, with a triple lens setup featuring a 200MP main sensor, a 64MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP periscope telephoto with up to 10x optical zoom, all enhanced by AI computational photography, ensuring every shot looks like it was taken by a pro, day or night. Video recording has also been upgraded with 8K cinematic mode, stabilized so it feels like carrying a professional rig in your pocket. But hold on, because the battery is where the Pixel 10 Pro shocks everyone. It comes with a massive 6,000 mAh battery paired with 120W fast charging and 65W wireless charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100 in less than 25 minutes. And yes, reverse wireless charging is also here to power up your earbuds or even your friend's phone. And just when you think that's enough, Google introduces AI-powered battery optimization that learns your daily habits and extends your usage time, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. Security has leveled up too, with an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock powered by AI depth sensing, and Titan M3 chip protection so your data stays private and safe. The software is pure magic, launching with Android 16 and Pixel-exclusive features like AI wallpapers, AI call screening that sounds human, and the much-hyped Pixel Voice Assist, which is rumored to handle tasks better than any assistant we've ever seen. The design is sleek, slim, and futuristic, with aerospace-grade aluminum and a matte frosted finish that feels premium to the touch, available in bold new colors like Midnight Chrome and Aurora Blue. Now here's where the suspense builds. The Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to launch globally in October 2025 with a starting price of $1,199 in the US. But here's the kicker. Insiders claim Google might include a free surprise accessory in the box for those who pre-order, and it's not the usual earbuds. It could be something that changes the way you use your phone every single day. But Google is keeping that under wraps for now. So, are you ready to upgrade to the future? Because the Pixel 10 Pro is not just another phone, it's the device that might redefine what smartphones can be in the next decade. And before you go, here's a little surprise for those who stayed till the very end. Rumor has it that Google is secretly testing a satellite AI messaging feature exclusive to the Pixel 10 Pro, allowing you to send texts even without network coverage. And if that becomes official, this phone won't just be powerful, it'll be unstoppable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because the next phone review might just blow your mind even more.